see me and hear me now? Is the problem resolved? All right. So, what are the different types of questions that they ask in Maharashtra CET law in the logical reasoning section? Odd one out, analogies, syllogisms, statement assumptions, statement conclusions, cause and effect, course of action, reason assertion, strong and weak arguments, and sometimes miscellaneous other questions. But these are the ones that are asked most commonly. Out of these, we'll consider everything in this series, but out of these, the one that is asked more often are the first 4 types. Okay. So today we will solve some analogy questions. All right, clear? Okay, what is an analogy question? I told you an analogy is a comparison. A pair of words are given to you. Okay, and you have to decide which so the relationship between the pair of words could be anything. The pair of words given to you could be synonyms or meanings, similar sounding, similar meaning words, antonyms or opposites. They could be related in degree, less is to more. Okay? Or they could be parts of speech, noun is to adjective, or it could be word descriptions, that is joyful is to celebration as something else, or it could be field of study and subject of study. They called ologies. So what is anthropology? Study of this. What is geology? Study of this. What is geography? Study of this. It could be part to whole. Word is to dictionary as something else as to something else. Professional and his tool of work. All right. Painter, surgeon, farmer, what are their tools of trade? And you would be given those analogies. Professional and place of work. Actor, theatre. They could also be cause and effect. So the relationship between the stem words could be anything. You have to read the stem words pair given in the question and decide what is the relationship, and then figure out which answer option has the same relationship. All right. So let's solve some analogy questions so you can understand exactly how to answer them. Amiable is to friendly. What is the relationship? First identify. Your vocabulary has to be good. Amiable means friendly. So they are related. They are synonyms. So they have a synonymous relationship. Amiable means friendly. As which of the option pairs has the same relationship? Amicable is to unfriendly. Amicable, wait, let me just get my pen color right. 1 second. Yeah. Amicable also means friendly. So amicable is not unfriendly. So this is wrong. Affable also means friendly, but its opposite is gloomy. So this is also not the correct one. Hostile means antagonistic, which is the same thing. Having bad feelings towards somebody. Hatred, animosity. So antagonism means hatred, hostility. So hostile is to antagonistic is the correct. Wait, let me get my pen tablet. So the correct answer would be C. Okay. All right. Next. Copious is to scarce. What does copious mean? What does scarce mean? Are they similar words with similar meanings? Are they different? Are they related in degree? Abundant is to excess. Dearth is to lack. Many is to few. Or much is to more. So what does copious means? It is summer, we get copious amounts of mangoes. Copious means abundant. And is scarce the same thing? No, scarcity means lack of something. So copious is to scarce. What is the relationship of the keywords? the relationship is antagonist. They are antonymous or they are antonyms. They are opposites. So you should look for a pair which are opposite to each other. Abundant means having a lot of something, and excess is similar. Zarurat se jyada hona, that is excess. So it cannot be this because these are meanings. They are synonyms. They are not opposites. And we want something, we want a pair that is opposite to each other. Dearth. There is a dearth of talent in this place. There is no dearth of talent. Dearth means lack. Therefore, this is also synonymous. We want something which is opposite, so this also doesn't mean. Many, bahut jyada, few, bahut kam. Therefore, this is correct. One is the opposite of the other. Therefore, the correct answer obviously is C. Alright, understood? Okay, let's go to the next pair. Smile is to laugh. You know what's the relationship? Smile, laugh. Smile is just make your lips curl like that. Laugh, okay, you make a sound, you open your mouth, it's quite loud. So what is the relationship? One of degree. मुस्कुराना और हंसने में तो difference है ना? So this is one of degree. Less is to more. Cry is to bawl. You just cry. You can cry in any which way. Just silently, tears rolling down your eyes. Silently crying. Bawling means crying loudly. So this is also related in the same way. Less is to more. So that's my answer. Sniffle. When you cry and you keep doing that, that is sniffling. Sniff is to smell something. Similar action, but that sound is not that much. Run is to crawl. Now this is more is to less. This is also related in degree, but it is related in the opposite way. Crawl is move slowly on all fours. Run is to go fast. But here more is to less is the relationship. So this is not the correct answer. Giggle, to laugh in that funny way. Sob is to cry. They are opposites. Therefore the correct answer is A. Good. Alright, let's move to the next question. Gold valuable. So just frame this relationship in a sentence. Gold is valuable. इसका value बहुत ज़्यादा है. So gold is valuable. Sports is arts. Not really. Weddings. A wedding is a joyous occasion, or weddings are joyous or happy occasions. Okay. Correct description. This could be the correct answer. Pain is pleasure, not really. Reward is award, not really. Therefore, gold is valuable just as a wedding is joyous. Joyous describes a wedding just as valuable describes a property of gold. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Alright, quickly, give me the answer to the next question. Car is to garage. So, frame the relationship in a sentence. A car is kept in a garage, repaired in a garage, stored in a garage, kept safe in a garage, locked in a garage, right? As raft sails on a sea, in the sea, does it? Airplane is kept in the harbor. Is an airplane kept in a harbor? What is the place where airplanes are kept called? Anyone? Yes. Hangar. Ship is to harbor. Yes. Ships are kept safe in harbors. That is true. House and hut are synonyms. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Perfect. Alright. So, this is an object and a place where it is kept. Very good. What's the next question type? The next question type is astronomy is to stars. Astronomy is to stars. So this is complete the analogy. This is another type of analogy question where you are given a pair of words and the first word of this next pair, you have to complete the analogy. Astronomy is the study of stars, just as geology is the study of what? So this is testing your knowledge of study of, I told you, ologies and all are important. They build your vocabulary by knowing synonyms, antonyms, adjectives, and also ologies, manias, and phobias. Astronomy is the study of stars, as geology is the study of the sky. No. Geometry, geology is to geometry. No. Geology is a science. Well, it is, but this is not, it is not the study of science. It is the study of, well, of the given options, Earth is the best option. This was last year MHCET question. It is the study of the Earth. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Okay. Sometimes you will not get the exact word, but among the options, choose the one that fits best. Okay, next one. Word is to dictionary. You find words and word meanings in dictionaries as what is a part of. So, word and dictionary, the relationship is part is to whole, right? Or a word is found in a dictionary, a word is part of a dictionary, just as paper is a part of print, a guitarist is part of a band, a team is a part of a player. No, a player is a part of a team. So this is the reverse relationship of part to whole. Umpire and judge are similar. Therefore, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Perfect. Good. All right. Next. Farmer is to scythe. You can guess the meaning of scythe even if you don't know. It's an instrument used by a farmer to cut crops. Alright. So farmer is to scythe as this is, what is the relationship? A profession to the tool used. Right. So surgeon is to operation theatre. Surgeon is a professional, but this is his place of work, right? Not his tool. An actor is to stage. This is also the place where he works. A painter is to palette. What's a palette? You know that little thing here where he mixes all his colors on small board with, uh, that's where he puts his colors and he paints. So that's a palette. Mineral is to rock. Well, rock is part of the mineral. So the correct answer is painter is to palette. Painter is to paintbrush. Painter is to color. It could be anything, but here they've given us a palette. Okay, a board in which a painter mixes his colors and uses it while painting. The correct answer is option C. All right, next one. Artist is to atelier. What do you think this is? Atelier seems to be what? It is artist is to atelier. Atelier is the another name for a studio. So this is professional and his place of work. So an artist works in an atelier or a studio. Sculptor is to atelier. Alright, so a professional and his place of work. It's another name for a studio. School is to teacher. Teacher is to school hota to sahi hota. Classroom is to student. The other way around. Boxer. Well, here we have a professional and the place where he boxes is called ring. So boxer is to ring. That is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. So remember, the best way to do it is find out the relationship of the pair that is given to you in the question. Put it in the form of a sentence so you're not confused, and then you can easily eliminate options and come to the right one. All right. Hint is to clue as untamed is to what? Can I give you a hint about the answer? Can I give you a clue about the answer? So hint and clue mean the same thing. They are synonymous. So tell me, what is the synonym of untamed? Something that is tame? No. Something that is wild, not tame, not domesticated, not trained. Therefore, the answer is wild. Timid is something which is not a synonym of untamed, nor is it exotic. So untamed is to wild is the correct answer. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Very good. All right. Next, compliment is to censure. What does complement mean? There are two complements. Here in the answer option also you have a complement. If I say, oh, you're looking very nice in that shirt. Oh, that essay that you wrote was very good. Oh, that's a nice thing. So what am I doing? I am saying something nice about you. That's a compliment. A compliment is like a word of praise. And what does censure mean? Censure means criticism, harsh criticism. So compliment is to censure, then what is the relationship? It is antonymous, or they are a pair of opposites. So let's look at the options and see which one of the options is a pair of opposites. Timid is to shy. Stable bot, see you said. ये वाला compliment, COMPLIMENT, compliment means praise. Okay. Now this other compliment, COMPLEMENT, that does not mean praise. What does that mean? That means something that completes. You know, in geometry, you've learned complementary angles, supplementary angles. What's the complementary angle? Something that completes to make it 90 degrees. So otherwise, we'll say the clothes, you wear shoes which complement your clothes, means add to the beauty of. All right. So complement here. 1 minute. Let me see your answers. Yeah. So compliment here does not mean praise. This compliment means praise. This compliment does not mean praise. So which one here is opposite? What does docile means? Docile means timid, shy, defensive, not aggressive, timid. So docile is to aggressive. That is the opposite. You're timid, you're shy, aggressive, you're just in a mood to fight with everybody. So therefore, option B is the correct answer, not C. All right? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Censor means edit. These are synonym. So let's say you keep hearing about the censor board. What does the censor board do? It cuts scenes which it thinks are too violent for the viewers or too obscene for the viewers. So it censors, it cuts them off, it chops them off. Right? So to censor means to edit objectionable material. So this is these words are meanings. They're not opposites. We are looking at opposites, and the only pair of words which is opposites is option B. All right. Okay. Next. Feather is to light. Feather, punk, light. Okay. Are feathers light? That is why if you put it in the air, well, some of them actually can, if it is windy, they can just float. So feather is light. Agree? Does that statement make sense? Yes. Just as the sun is dark, well, not always. A rock is a pebble. Nahi, rock means bada sa pathar. Pebble is a small pathar. So it cannot be that. Rock is not a pebble. Water is to ice. There are two states of water. Boulder. I don't know what the Hindi word for boulder is. Bahut bada sa pathar. That's called a boulder. It is heavy. Therefore, yes, just as a feather is light or cotton is light, a boulder is heavy. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. All right? Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed that. So what did you learn today? That you have to learn words. The more words you learn, the easier it is for you to do well in Maharashtra CET. There would be at least 4 or 5 questions on analogies. And with practice, you have to first read what is the meaning of the pair. What is the relationship of the pair in the question? Form a sentence, form a statement, and then look at the options which have a similar relationship. All right. So keep following me. I'll be here every Friday to take you through the questions of LR or logical reasoning in MHCET. All right. Let's look at what BYJU'S has for you ahead in the week for you. What are the classes scheduled for you this week? There's a time management session. Time management tips for CLAT and the boards, very important. Most of you who are taking CLAT this year must be appearing the boards. So 25th February, 6 p.m. Nivedita will be taking this class. Find out how you can balance your CLAT preparation with the board exams. All right. Uh, on the 28th of February, Alpa will be taking a session on 5 steps to ace CLAT 2025. So give yourself that time so that you have your strategy, you have your study plan ready for CLAT 2025. CLAT 2025 will be held somewhere around November, December. By then, you'd say, okay, all my preparation is done. What are the ways in which to do it? Alpa is going to tell you all about that. All right. If you have any, if you're taking any of the entrance exams for other, CLAT is a major law entrance exam, as is ALET. There are other exams like SLAT, JMI, LLB, and Maharashtra CET Law. Those of you who are taking it and want some idea about what kind of coaching is available to you, please talk to our counselors. Give a call and they will have a one-on-one conversation with you on the courses which are best for you, best suited for you at this stage. All right. If you're preparing for CLAT 2025, start early and stay ahead. We have a comprehensive course with 380, more than 380 hours of live classes, 300 hours of recorded classes, mock tests, topic tests, sectional tests, and we have a regular current affairs magazine called Ignite, which is very popular with our students in the past batches. Therefore, join if you want to take CLAT 2025. Do join our course, any of the courses that we offer you, so that you get all these facilities. All right. If you want to take our test series for 2024 for other entrance exams, that then we have a test series of only mock tests, 25 CLAT, 15 ALET and 15 OLET. Other law entrance tests, we have mocks, and these are recommended by your seniors, by CLAT toppers. So if you don't want regular classes but just want to take tests, then this is available for you. All right, join any or all of our social media channels. Subscribe to our Facebook, Twitter channel, or Telegram channel, so that you get information about all our sessions on YT, on the app, and all our regular paid courses. I will see you again very soon. Until then, keep studying. The harder you work, the better you get. Thank you. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.